Alright, so it says for each triangle, I guess we only have one triangle, find sine of A, cosine of A, and tangent of A to the nearest thousandth. Show me with your fingers, thousandths. How many decimal places?
Oh, 1,000.
Class, what place is this? Let me write this out, so a lot of fingers. This one is the... This one is that's the thousandths. So only 3 THS. Therefore, we need to look at the fourth one to tell us how to round for this one. Okay? It is actually a big issue. It is a common mistake for just rounding. Alright, now each of these say the sine of A. This is important because it actually tells us where to start. Then it tells us that's where I'm going to start to label. So this side is the opposite. This one is the hypotenuse. And this one is the, from A, this is the adjacent. On my pens. There's one. Alright. So sine of A. Class, which two sides is sine? So I have 30 over 34. And if I reduce that, I get how much? So 15 over 17. And I put that in my calculator. Well, can't type. And I round to 3. What's my answer? So let's make sure we're on the same page. This here in blue is my answer to the thousandth. 3 decimal places. In orange, how would you describe this one in orange? Simplified fraction, or this is our exact. Because on your quiz, I will ask you very specifically, give me an exact answer. So that would be a fraction, don't put it into a decimal. If I say round to the nearest thousandth, that means you should have a decimal. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Girls, cosine, which two sides? Girls, side length? 16 over 34. Girls, reduce that. And girls, 3 decimal places. Boys, which two sides? Boys, from A, what is opposite of the adjacent? 30 over 16. Boys, go ahead and reduce that. And boys, go ahead and tell me to the thousandth. So I have answers that are rounded, and I also have exact answers. Notice how someone also said they are simplified fractions.